Welcome to this video lecture. So today we're going to talk about the earliest counting technique. So what is the earliest counting technique? So we call the earliest counting technique as a tallying. Tallying is used to match the collections to be counted with some easily employed set of objects. So it is from French verb tailler, English word tailor, Latin tagliere, which means to cut. We count using our fingers. Our ancestors, the early people, used their fingers in counting. However, when they realize now that they need a concrete object now so that they have their record, they use now representatives like stones or rather pebbles or shells. So they use counting or tallying and counting ships. They also use this whenever they are having a party or a treaty wherein they count the number of guests. And they maintain now the numbers or the records using the scratches on stones. They also use the wooden sticks or piece of bone, or they also do tying of knots in strings of different colors or lengths. This is an example of tallying. So it is in a wolf bone. The most impressive example is a shin bone from a young wolf in 1937. So it's a 7 inches long. It is engraved with 55 deeply cut notches, more or less equal in length and arranged in groups of five. Also, this is also used in Shango, where the markings are related to lunar count, wherein they found that the arrangement is in column, where the first and the third column represent the two lunar months. So they use tally marks to record the counts also in prehistoric peoples of the Near East. So evidenced are small clays hardened by fire, wherein it is made of different shapes like circular discs, triangles, cones, where it represents a different commodities. It can be number of herds, or it can be also the measurement of grains. And also in British, it serves as an acceptance of tallies. It serves as a promissory notes or bills. It is also used in English, particularly in the Bank of England, wherein they use a tally stick whenever someone lent money. They have to cut it into two or split it into two. So the sizes vary, wherein the longer sizes means higher value and shorter size means shorter value. It is also used in the remote valleys of Switzerland. So they have what they call a smelt stick. And this also provides evidences of transactions among farmers who owned cows in a common herd. In history, according to Herodotus, the father of history, the Persian king Darius also used this knotted cord to serve as a calendar. So what he is stated is that untie every day one of the knots if I do not return before the last day to which the knots will hold out. Then leave your station and return to your several homes. So this is what the Persian king Darius told to his people. So that is some interesting facts about tallying or the earliest counting techniques. Thank you for listening.